Hello students, welcome back to Sandpoint Institute Belagavi. So in this today's video, we will be providing the key answers as well as we will be doing the subject wise weightage analysis of PWD JE technical paper which happened yesterday, that is on 13th December 2021. So if you see the question paper, first of all the question paper you can rate it as, okay, so from easy to moderate. So towards moderate, they were not that much easy also, so you can rate it as easy to moderate, not above moderate. Okay, some questions were very easy and they were repeated from previous years various different examinations also, and only two questions I think from surveying were numerical, so rest all were theory questions. And as I always keep telling for you guys that they will ask you to identify the formulae. Same way, if you see the question paper, around 12 to 13 questions were from identifying the formulae. Some questions were directly like you need to identify, and in some of the questions they had given in the form of the statement, or you can say in the form of the definition. So you need to find the right answer. So around 14-15 questions antu ee type na bandidvu. Remaining questions were very easy, not much difficult. So but if you see the question paper, like you need not use even calculator, that was not at all needed. So the question paper was with respect to that JE paper only, JE level only, and they had given more weightage on theoretical questions only rather than numerical questions. So now let's see the subject wise analysis of this particular paper. The first subject is building materials and concrete technology. 30 questions have come from this. Okay, so earlier also I used to tell you that building materials is such a subject that where you can expect lot of theoretical questions. Okay, just ಬರೀ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಟೆಬ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೇಟೇಜ್. ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹೈ ವೇಟೇಜ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 30 questions had appeared from this subject only. Next, surveying around 11 questions, tunnel engineering 2 questions, estimation 6 questions, CTM 6 questions, highway engineering 12 questions, geotechnical engineering 6 questions, strength of materials 22 questions, RCC 3 questions, steel 2 questions. Okay, so there can be like 1 or 2 questions difference. So ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ವು 2-3 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಸೊ 1 or 2 ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತಿ, ಬಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ percentage of the questions being asked from the individual subject. Okay, so I personally feel that you guys will score really well in this PWD JE, and if you guys had joined our PWD JE technical course, I am sure you guys have performed really well in this exam. As you guys have joined for online course, so I want you to WhatsApp me and share how much marks you are scoring in technical as well as general studies. Burns are provided in canals if there are option 2. The most widely used shape of tunnel for highway as well as railway tunnel is horseshoe section. Which of the following methods estimates best area of the irregular and curved boundary? It is best suited. Simpson's method. The type of weld that is classified based on the type of the joint is lap weld. In case of the plain concrete exposed to sea waves, the grade of concrete should not be lower than option 2, M20. Modulus of elasticity of concrete increases with option 4. Due to the change in price level, a revised estimate is prepared if the sanctioned estimate exceeds option 4. The deformation of a uniform bar under its own weight is option 4. According to IRC, the maximum limit of super elevation in the plain as well as rolling terrain is option 2. The proof resilience is the maximum energy stored at option 2. The method of leveling in which high degree of precision is required is called as precise leveling. Which of the following is true with respect to the plate load test? So if you read all the options, option A is right. The equipment used to transport concrete from ground level to the lower level is called as tooth. Ratio of lateral strain to linear strain is called as Poisson's ratio. Hollow circular tube sections are widely used in. Actually, if you see all the options, so it can be used anywhere, but what I feel this might be right, you need to cross check. For major projects such as roads, water supply, irrigation, sanitary works, and index plan is prepared to a scale of option 3, 1 centimeter is to 0.5 kilometer. When the SFD is a parabolic curve between 2 points, it indicates that there is uniformly varying load between the 2 points. Consolidation time of a soil sample is option 4, increases with decrease in the permeability. As per IS 800-2007, while designing column bases, the maximum bearing pressure between the base plate and below the support should not exceed the bearing strength by option 2. The process of proper and accurate measurement of concrete ingredients for uniformity of proportion is known as batching. Mostly this was asked in WRD exam. Igneous rock has crystalline, glossy or fused structure. A column has effective length L when both ends are fixed. What will be new effective length if one end become hinged? So the correct answer here is option 3. Doris testing machine is used for testing the hardness of the stone. Finalization of method for execution of construction work consists the part of what actually? So it is technical planning. Which curves below satisfies the ideal transition curve? So it is spiral curve. A typical rigid pavement has the following components from bottom to top. So bottom to top yaವ್ದಿರ್ತಾವು? So option 2 is right. The carpet area of a residential building may be 52 to 65% of the floor area. What is the ratio of flexural strength to the characteristic strength for M35 grade of concrete? So it is 0.118. As per IS 800-2007, the value of K used in the calculation of effective throat thickness for an angle of 105 degree is option 2. Which type of soil has the lowest safe bearing capacity? So it is very easy. The answer is soft clay. Maximum distortion energy theory was postulated by option 4. Choose the odd one. So if you read all the options, so this can be the odd one out based on the functions of these individual parts in those structures or where they have been used. Method of pre-stressing concrete by tensioning tendons against hardened concrete is called as post-tensioning. The stone used for construction of bridge abutment and piers is mostly of which? It is of granite. Which of the following is false? So if you read all the options, all of them seems to be right. So I'm not sure of the particular answer for this question. Next one, which of the following is not true? So when you read all the options, so all are true actually. Tunnels provided in narrow valleys in the form of loops in the interior of mountain to increase length of tunnel and avoid steep slopes are called as fourth spiral tunnels. Moment area method to find deflection in beams is based on what? It is first one, Morse theorem. California bearing ratio test is used to evaluate the strength of soil subgrade. The instrumental method commonly used for setting out circular curve is Rankine's method of tangential angle. The true bearing of a line is 12 degree and the magnetic declination is 4 degree west. Its magnetic bearing is 16 degree. The Indian standard referred for mixed design is IS 10262. High early strength of cement is obtained as a result of. So if you read the option, this as well as this can be the right answer. Skid resistance or maximum friction offered by a pavement surface depends upon. So when you read the options, all of them are right. The 1% of tin is added to Munn's metal is called what? Option 3, naval brass. So this I had taught in alloys chapter in this building materials. Next question. Euler's equation for column with one end fixed and another end pinned is this. Option 4. The correct relation to calculate the expected completion time. So either the relation yavdu CTM olaga. Option 2 is right. In a beam where shear force changes sign, the bending moment will become what? It will become maximum. Critical path is always the longest based on the time. The ratio of the volume of voids to the volume of the soil is called as option 4, porosity. A well-seasoned timber may contain moisture up to 10 to 12%. The general waterproofing agent used for surface treatment is, so when you see the options, this can be right, but we need to cross check for this particular answer. Next, creating a smooth surface on a plastered surface is the main object of. So ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು smooth surface form ಆಕೈತಿ, but what I feel is putty might be right answer. Still you need to cross check this particular answer. By which of the following the difference in elevation between 2 points can be calculated by taking a difference between the two reading and no correction for the inclination of the line of sight is necessary. So in which this is done? Balancing. The theories commonly used for design of the retaining wall is Rankin's theory and Coulomb's theory. The length of summit curve for SSD for the length of the curve greater than the sight distance is option 2. Next, for the first class brickwork, the thickness of the joint shall not be less than 6 cm. The most convenient and accurate angular method of setting out a curve when the ground is undulating, rough and not suitable for linear measurement is, it is two-theodolite method. The quality management system relevant for construction organization is option 2, ISO 9000. Identify a statically indeterminate beam among all the following. So it is 2. The dimensional units of dam proofing course in estimation is square meter. Horizontal distance obtained by the tachymetric observations do not require slope and pull correction. Cost benefit analysis is a tool for management. In vertical alignment of highways, the gradients normally adopted in design are known as ruling gradient. Which type of soil exhibits swelling as well as shrinking? So it is option 1. For a simply supported beam of span L and loaded with uniformly distributed load W kilonewton per meter throughout its length, the maximum bending moment is option 2. So W square L by 8. The Bernoulli-Euler bending equation is given by what? So it is option 1. The resolved part of the resultant of two forces inclined at an angle phi in a given direction is equal to option 1. The magnetic bearing of line AB was 236 degrees 30 minutes. What would be the forebearing of the line BC if the included angle ABC is 129 degree 15 minutes? So it is option 1. The relationship between EG and K is given by option 3. The most commonly used contract for all the types of engineering works financed by public as well as the government bodies is known as item rate contract. The wicket apparatus is used for testing of option 4 initial setting time of cement and final setting time of cement. The number of bags of cement required per cubic meter of M15 grade concrete would be approximately option 1, 5 to 7. The dynamic effect of wheel load is caused due to speed and hammer blows. An instrument which can measure the area and length of curved contours and very small areas with higher degree of precision is option 4. The object that is provided to hold the various parts of a column structure parallel and at correct distance apart is called as lacing. To obtain a variety of polished terracotta articles are first burnt at 650 degrees Celsius and then this is called as biscuiting. Jobs giving ahead of schedule are conveniently shown in Gantt chart. If a cantilever beam of length L is fixed at point A and free at point B and is carrying a point load W at point B, then the slope at point A and deflection at point B is given by what? It is option 1. Next, the reaction time of a driver decreases with increase in speed. Superplasticizers are admixtures used in concrete as what? Water reducing agents. For making satisfactory concrete, sand will not be suitable if its fineness modulus is more than 3.2. Modulus of resilience under simple tension is 4. The top diameter, bottom and the height of the mold used for slump test is option 3. Camber in the road is provided for effective drainage. Strain energy due to direct stresses. So if you see the options, it is none. So it is sigma square by 2V 2E into V. Bill of quantities differ from abstract of estimated cost when in tabular form. The following columns are left blank. So it is option 4. If the shear force along a section of a beam is 0, the bending moment at the section is maximum. So if you read the assertion, here the correct answer is option 3. When you have to cross a water body while performing leveling operation, then the best method is reciprocal leveling. Which of the following defects is found in timber due to action of wind? So it is twisted grain. The sedimentary rock used in the manufacture of cement is called as limestone. Remote sensing that uses the sun as a source of electromagnetic energy and records the energy that is naturally radiated and reflected from the object is called as passive remote sensing. The theorem that is used to find the distance of the resultant of non-concurrent forces about a moment center is option 4, parallelogram theorem. A 20-meter Indian standard chain has rings at every meter length and tallies at every 5 meter. Ratio of shear stress to shear strain within elastic limit is modulus of rigidity. Constituent materials for a composite mortar are cement, lime and sand. So composite at ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್. The mortar that possesses more strength and can be used in damp situation is called as hydraulic lime mortar. The stone course below the cornice is called as option 3, phrase. As per IRC 1983, maximum length in meters for single unit truck is option 3, 11. So this was how the question paper was. It was little easier side only. And one more thing I want to inform that you guys have joined for PWD JEE technical course for which the validity has got over already. That is exactly like we had given 1 month validity for the students who had joined very recently, and wherein we had kept the fee structure very less, and still there is an option if you want to upgrade this package from this PWD to SSC JEE or RRB or any of the KPSC upcoming exams. You guys have option to update this particular package also. So saying this, all the very best. Again, we will be making a video on PWD AE technical as well as general studies paper analysis.